This video is going to go over BE5-2 and BE5-3 as those questions go together. So starting in BE5-2, the old-fashioned candy company sells 3 types of candies. The company uses a perpetual inventory system and a subsidiary ledger to keep track of its inventory. Determine the following balance in the inventory control account in the ledger if the company had the following items on hand. So subsidiary ledgers are where they keep track of each inventory item separately, and then a control account would just be overall all the inventory together. So in this case, it is candy. So our first is to figure out the total for each one. So for the first bubble gum, we had 600 units that each cost 95 cents. So the cost there is $570. For our jelly beans, we had 400 units at a cost of $1.25 each, which is $500. And lastly, we had lollipops, 350 units times $1.60 is 560 units. Adding those 3 together here, gives me a total value in my control account, so that's the overall inventory of $1,630. Going to part B, Old Fashioned Candy Company, the one we just did, has decided to expand its sales to include Canada Mints. It purchases 500 packages from its supplier at a cost of $550 per package. The terms of sale are $210 net 30, FOB shipping point. The freight charges are $75. Old Fashioned Candy pays for the merchandise within the discount period. What are the total costs and cost per package of this inventory, and what is the balance in the merchandise inventory control account in the general ledger after these transactions? So first we're going to start off with the cost of our inventory. So we bought 500 units at a price of $550 each. Or sorry, not 550, $5.50 each. So 500 times 550 gives us a cost of inventory of $2,750. So that's the gross value of it. However, we did receive a discount, so you'll see in the terms of sale it was $210 net 30. Okay, so up here you can see there is my $210 net 30. That means I'm going to get a 2% discount if I pay within the first 10 days. So if they received a discount, the discount was 2%, that means the value of our merchandise will be 98%, or we're going to multiply by 0.98 to give us the value of that inventory. So the actual true cost after accounting for the discount is $695. Now that $2,695, we are going to add the $75 in freight charges. Remember, transportation in or freight in increases the cost of my merchandise, so I'm going to add that $75 in. It made my inventory more expensive. Gives me a value of my merchandise of $2,770. Now if I want to figure out, so this would be the inventory for the Canada Mints. Overall, it did ask us to figure out the per package. So the per package, we would take that Canada Mints value, we would divide it by the number of units that we had, which was 500 units. Gives us a cost per unit of $5.54. That's our per package cost. And if we wanted to figure out the total value of our inventory, we're going to take the value from the previous question, the $1,630. We're going to add in the new inventory, which is $2,770. Gives me a total value of my inventory of $4,400. So theirs would be the answers for those 2 questions.